First things first. So the plan is this. We're gonna go to Guitar Center, buy a really cheap guitar, fix it, and see the relationship. Traditionally, there's a correlation between how expensive the guitar is and how good it is. Go!
Yo, what's up? What are you doing?
Oftentimes a fancy guitar that might cost $2,000-$3,000, Fender or Gibson, are made in the same factories. So actually, if we can take a cheap guitar and bring it to a place of goodness. Mixed feelings, but also it's really fun. Let's see what's up. See some interesting options here. The 149. Out. Now we're gonna go to Home Depot. This thing, by the way, guitar colors are based on car colors. So back in the day, when the car factory finished their business with a color, for example Cadillac green, was then sold to Fender to create that specific green. Total about $100 extra. Let's open the guitar. Ta-da! Check this out. So I really like the idea that it has a whammy bar. So this is kind of the, I guess, neck pickup, a little warmer, I hope, versus these. Middle pickup, this one, lower, like bridge. Wow, this is really loud. Not sure where to put my hand. Yeah, alright, so the guitar sounds like a guitar, which is a good start. I want to change these two with a Tex-Mex. So I want to change these pickups, but the truth is I've never done it before. If you're filling out this video, the best way to support would be dropping a comment, hitting, smashing, crashing the like button, and maybe even checking out the Patreon to support more. Thank you. So I'm gonna call Noam. I hope he can make it. Bro, you wanna? Good, how are you feeling? Good. You wanna come help me change this pickup maybe? Man, if you can make it like now.
Alright. Well.
Oh shit! Coffee?
Yes.
Cafe? Yeah. You might not notice yet, but Noam is an insane bass player. He also plays in our band, Jelly Club. Ta-da! We just released a single, so you should check it out. Question. I'm very curious about Stratocaster. Can you please drop a comment with your favorite Strat? Maybe a link would be helpful for me. I want to see and hear it. If there's a video song playing it, also great. The way pickups work is we have a piece of metal wired with oftentimes copper wiring. It will basically pick up the interference around the pickup. It's literally picking up what is around it. Once the string vibrates, we have some sort of interference. The pickup will pick that up, but the signal will be translated into electric signal. And then, since that signal is so low amplitude, we need to amplify it, literally amp it. This is why we're using an amp, to make that signal louder. It doesn't have to be only strings, it will also work with phones.
It's music to my ears.
This is how it looks from the outside. Once you open it, you see this is the piece of metal we're talking about, like these pieces of metal wound with a copper wire, then two outs.
That surrounds what they call the pole pieces, which are later magnetized, and that's how they voice the different pickups to sound different. Another really good tip that I've learned from many mistakes is to always take a picture of how the guitar looks like right now.
Should we keep the, I guess we should keep the humbucker.
Yeah, that humbucker
cool.
sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
It has a lot of output.
A lot.
That's what we call hot. It's a hot pickup.
Oh my god, there. So hot, oh my god. When I was a kid, I used to love soldering so much, so I used to try and fix things. Like I try to fix things I found on the street, like amps and phones and different things. Usually I was able to do it because a lot of times it was just like one fuse that was broken and someone just, you know, throws it away.
Yeah, we're gonna start with the yellow one. That's our neck pickup.
So let me just disconnect.
Yep.
After Noam fixed everything, let's make sure it's working.
Okay, good start. Another good start. Let's see about the tone. Good.
Party.
If you ever wondered,
I think it sounds much better already.
great.
Yeah.
Sounds so
I
good.
think we're set.
Where we
Yeah.
are. Wow.
Actually, it sounds much better.
It sounds incredibly better.
Move this lower and just
Yeah.
hitting this. I mean, it sounds really nice now.
Yeah.
After thinking about the issue, it seems that we probably have what we call a phase problem. Basically, we probably did the soldering wrong with one wire, so I'm gonna flip it and hope for the best. Let's see if it works. So, option number 1 is just this. Option number 2 is these three. Kind of weird, little phase maybe. Option 3 is these two. And then this is just this. Okay. Alright, in this part. In this part of the game, we're gonna, it's kind of stinky. We're gonna try and take the color off, and I heard from a friend that this is a good way to do it. Okay, so I think this is possible. We can just take this stuff. Ow! Fuck. This looks like a lot. I'm gonna try and do it in another way. We're doing this. Alright, wow, the wind outside was crazy. I'm gonna just clean the dust a little bit. I had to wash my eyes really well. I had like just insane amount of dust. I'm assuming that it's gonna catch on everything. If not, I'll have to redo it, but I think it's gonna be cool, even if it's gonna be a little weird. Okay, wow, I had a little scare. So if you can see, these little pieces of metal are all messed up. So when I was kind of sanding the guitar aggressively, I guess these came out. Luckily they were just on the ground, so now I'm gonna loosen the strings a little bit and put them all in so they're balanced. Feeling this guitar more and more. I actually like the feeling of the wood. It's kind of warm and it feels nice. So I'm a little sad to paint it, but I know it looks also a little weird. So this is the sound we have right now from this guitar. And these are 11s, the strings are 11s, so you know. So this is kind of the, I guess, neck pickup, a little warmer, I hope, versus these. Middle pickup, this one, lower, like bridge. Wow, this is really loud. This. I never had one of these, so I'm not sure if I know how to use it, but I guess that's the vibe. I will say I've never painted a guitar. I have no idea what I'm doing. Whoa, it's kind of cool. I have zero patience. I'm just gonna do it. I'll fix it later. I'll clean this table before she kills me. So I'm going to try and air dry this. Paper sand? Sandpaper? A little bit, so it just has like a vibe. Getting there, it's starting to have a vibe. I used to judge most experiences as good or bad, very, very kind of binary. So each experience would be either great or awful. In that sense, you know, this journey with this guitar, I would probably able to declare it as a complete failure because it looks like a disaster. I had a lot of stress at the moment. I thought I'm completely trashing this. Maybe I soldered things not in the best possible way. Definitely the painting job is ridiculous, but also it's fun. I learned a lot. And it was interesting to see how we can take something that is not great and giving it true attention and love and not seeing the trashy quote-unquote guitar that could have been, but seeing the full potential in this piece of wood. And you know, yeah, we can change some stuff, we can make it happen, we can of course do it on a kind of like genuine better level of craftsmanship, if you will. I hope you had fun doing this kind of experience with me. Thank you so much for being a part of this. Thank you for being a part of the channel. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for all the stuff. It means a lot. And yeah, sometimes, you know, you just gotta do what you gotta do and try and fall on your face and get up and fall again, and it's a part of the deal. And definitely happens with music. Definitely happens in life. So thank you, and I'll see you soon. Till then, I'll play the Green Beast. This is the situation here. Yeah, quite messy, but fun. Okay. Let's clean it up.